Segment 6, design, challenges, and practical solutions. Design is a dynamic field and challenges are part of the creative process. Let's explore ways to overcome hurdles effectively. Okay, so challenge 1 is conflicting stakeholder feedback. Now, everybody wants to be a designer until it comes to looking ugly, then they blame you. One thing about stakeholders, they make decisions, but they don't make the right design decisions. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you guys a solution for that problem, which is facilitate collaborative working environments. So you want to go ahead and schedule a certain workshop. So you want to facilitate collaborative workshops. This approach would not only address conflicts, but also fosters great communication between both sides of the business, the design team and also the actual business side, operations. Challenge number 2, designing for accessibility. Creating designs that are intuitive and accessible to all users are a priority and can be challenging, especially when navigating diverse user needs. The solution is conducting usability audits, okay? Use tools that identify potential usability issues and involve users from different diverse backgrounds inside of your usability test. Now, prioritizing usability from the start ensures that your design will be inclusive to all users. Challenge number 3, designing under tight timelines. In fast-paced environments, designers can also face challenges when it comes to creating different versions of a certain design under tight timelines, right? Which in this case will impact the quality of said design. The solution is implement design sprints. Break down the design process into little focused chunks. This not only ensures a structured approach, but also allows rapid prototyping and also testing throughout product deadlines. Challenge 4, balancing aesthetics and functionality. Some designers might prioritize visual over usability and vice versa. Prioritizing user testing. Now you want to solicit feedback on both sides, which is the aesthetically pleasing side and also the functionality side, okay? Creating this open communication between the test team and also the designers will allow both sides to express their needs. Remember, design challenges are part of growth. By addressing these common UX UI design challenges with practical solutions, not only enhances your process, but also allows you to deliver a better user experience. Later on in the video, we will be discussing the skills for prototyping and creating awesome wireframes. Stay tuned. Mastering prototyping and wireframes is the backbone to any designer's toolkit, allowing ideas to come to life, facilitating communication effectively in the design process. Okay, so skill number 1 is understanding user flows. Before diving deep into prototyping your wireframes, it is critical to understand user flows, identifying the key paths that a user will take throughout your design, and also understanding the forms of function for your design prototype. Sketching and ideation. It's very simple. What you want to do is start with the basics. Draw a couple boxes here and there. Just go ahead and sketch out a rough version or rough idea of your actual design. Skill 3, being proficient in your design tools. Now, a lot of these companies use Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, and you need to be able to master the ins and outs of these certain platforms. Doing this will empower you as a designer and make everything that you do a bit more efficient. So that's one of the main things is staying up to date and knowing what platforms to use or platforms that these major companies use day in and day out. Skill number 4, interactive prototypes. Let's go ahead and move beyond the static representations of an actual design, okay? Interactive prototypes allow you to showcase the functionality and the user interactions within your design. This skill is very valuable to user testing and conveying the intent of the user experience to the stakeholders. So go ahead and give an awesome prototype and explain the reasons why. Skill number 5, attention to detail. In a wireframe, attention to detail is prominent. Clearly define elements, layouts, and also design hierarchy, and also pay attention when it comes to button placement, navigation, and critical components of your design. This meticulous approach will ensure a solid foundation for later stages in the design process. Skill number 6, collaboration and communication. Collaborating effectively can also enhance your wireframing and prototyping. Clearly communicate your design rationale, decisions, also expectations to your team members, and showing a cohesive understanding when it comes to your design intent. So basically, long story short, give them the reason why you did it. Skill number 7, user testing and integration. Now, use prototypes to gather valuable information and feedback early inside the design cycle. This approach will allow you to refine your designs based on real user interaction and also preferences. Now, mastering prototypes and wireframing skills is not just creating visuals, okay? It's about creating a bridge between design thinking and also tangible user experiences. Thank you guys for watching this video. This has been another episode of the Check My Designs Design Process Podcast. Okay, this is episode 4. Like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Hope you guys liked everything. Let's go ahead and grow the Check My Designs Design Nation. Okay, it's a lot of designing going on here. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Go to checkmydesigns.com for all your web design, app needs, product marketing needs, product design needs, things like that. Damn right.